Hello, friends. The devastating earthquake that has happened in Myanmar, Thailand very recently. This video, I am going to tell about what is an earthquake, how it happens, whether earthquake can be predicted, whether India will have this kind of earthquakes. What is an earthquake? Earthquake is nothing but shaking of the earth due to sudden movement of huge body of rocks underground beneath our feet, happening kilometers deep. Now, what are the causes of earthquakes? The major cause is movement of plates, continental plates. Earth is a spherical one. It is similar to your football. Football is made of small pieces of leather, all stitched together. Same way, Earth's crust is also made of many plates. Earth's surface is made of many plates, exactly similar to the football or volleyball. Earth's interior is dynamic, therefore the crust, the continental plates also move. When the plates move, when the two plates collide against each other, earthquakes are caused. For example, India is sitting on a plate called Indian plate. Entire Europe and parts of Asia is sitting on a plate called Eurasian plate. Burma is sitting on a plate called Burmese plate. India, about 150 to 200 million years ago, India was there somewhere near Australia. It moved north and northwestwards, collided against the Eurasian plate. There was a sea in between. That sea is called Death Sea. Because of this collision, Himalayan mountain chains were formed. The entire Middle East countries were formed. In fact, present day distance between Kanyakumari and Kashmir is about 3,500 kilometers. About 150 million years ago, India's length was 4,000 kilometers. That means India lost about 500 kilometers. 500 kilometer Indian landmass has gone into Himalayas. It has gone into Tibetan plateau. Indian plate is getting subducted into Eurasian plate. It's called subduction. Where the subduction takes place, earthquakes are triggered. Indian plate collided with the Burmese plate. Mountain chains were formed. This subduction, this moving up one plate into beneath another plate is happening 24/7. It is happening continuously. It's a continuous process. The movement may be at about 1 millimeter in 100,000 years. So slow. So this is one cause for earthquakes. Other causes like atomic bombs are exploded. It can trigger an earthquake. Where huge dams are built and water is stored to the brim, that can create an earthquake. Like Koina Dam caused an earthquake in 1967. In 2008 also there was an earthquake in China that killed 68,000 people. Koina earthquake also killed 150 people. Volcanic eruptions can also cause earthquake. Now, why earthquakes are happening so often in that part? Myanmar, Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, all these countries. Because these countries are located, including our northeastern part of India, entire Himalayan belt, entire Middle East countries. All these places are located on a zone called seismic zone. These places are situated on the junction between two continental plates. So earthquakes will happen, will continue to happen along this line. Whether how is intensity of earthquake measured? There is a meter called seismograph. It measures the intensity. 0 to 9 is the scale. It is called the Richter scale. The earthquake which has happened in Burma has been measured at 7.7. on Richter scale, which is quite high. And now, whether India will have earthquakes, this kind of major earthquakes, see, the peninsula India is a shaded area. There is no continental plate boundary in peninsular India. Therefore, there will be no major earthquakes. This kind of devastating earthquakes in peninsular India. Whereas in the northern belt, Indo-Gangetic plains and Himalayas might suffer due to this kind of major earthquakes. Now, prediction, whether it is possible to predict an earthquake. See, 90% of the earthquakes are triggered on new moon day or full moon day. Moons, traction only trigger the earthquake, major earthquakes. So, huge blocks stretching for kilometers, hundreds of kilometers, will not happen in a split of a second. It takes few days at least. So it could be created by seismographs, very sensitive seismographs, placed at close intervals, especially in this seismic belt. That is about causes of earthquake and measurement of earthquake and prediction of earthquake. I hope a bit has been understood. Thank you so much.